Hello and welcome to Dent-Free Image video repair series. In this video we're going to be sharing with you a repair completed on a 2010 Dodge Charger which was damaged by paintballs. The damage was on the passenger side fender and on the front and rear doors. Dent-Free Image technician accessed the backside of each ding using Paintless Dent repair specialized tools, massaging the area until it returned to its original condition. Our paintless technique preserves your vehicle original paint since we do not sand or grind your paint. Now, for a fraction of conventional auto body repair shops, you can also enjoy a dent-free image. We offer the following convenient mobile services to the San Antonio and surrounding areas: paintless dent repair, plastic bumper dent removal, and headlight restoration. Contact us to schedule your appointment today. Our phone number is 210-744-DING. Again, the number is 210-744-3464, or get a free estimate online. Visit us at www.dentfreeimage.com. Thank you.